let's just wait for Mom to come in here and play a bedtime story. Tell us a bedtime story. The bedtime story and all that stuff. Good night, kisses. Good night, Koma-san. Good night, Creeper. Good night, my little Flash. Okay, good night. Good night, Miss Jew. Okay, time to turn this off. Good night, boys. Good night. Tick, tick, bow. This is bow. This is bow. What was that? Very good. Check on something. Okay, wait a minute. I think Flash's mom said you can always check for monsters before or when it's bedtime. Oh well. What kind of stuff does this kid keep under his bed? Hello? Anyone under here? Hello? Oh yeah. You're a cute little toy. Come on out. Come on. Did you just move? You just moved again. Hey, weird. Guess it's back to bed. Second thought, I wonder what this thing does. Is it a wind-up toy? Beep. Nope. No. Okay. Okay. Oh. Ah! No. No. Stay away, you. Stay away. Wait. I know what to do. Be wondering what I'm doing here. Well, let me shed some lightsabers on the situation. Oh no, this thing must have stopped working. Dang it! Stupid fake lightsaber! Okay. Okay, hold on. Hey, monster! That's what you get for trying to kill me! You almost scared me! You scared me half to death! Die, yo! Die! 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 Okay, I think he's dead now. Oh man, how could this not get any worse? What was that? Is there anything there? Okay, wait until it attacks. Wait until it attacks. Don't do this at home, kids. Don't do this at home, kids. I know I'm a kid, but just don't do this at home, okay? Stop it, chicken. What the heck is that? What kind of creepy music is Flash has playing on his radio? Oh, shoot. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. It's the middle of the night. And there's no lights. And the flashlight's gone dead. Dang it, y'all. Dang it, y'all. Dang it, y'all. Dang it, y'all. What was that?